Alright, you're good.
Is it on? Frankie said I'm banned from saying slurs. Is that true? God. I can't say that. That's funny. Wait, slurs or curse words?
Curse words fine.
Oh, fucking hell, mate. Oh. Shut up! Whoa. You want to give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Damn.
Say it.
No, bro.
Say it.
I'm gonna get banned, bro. This is like my one and only chance. Oh yeah. What is he? What do you? Oh yeah. Okay. Yo, pause. Yo, let's get Jonathan. Matt stupid. And I'm gonna give him an oogaloogie. I can't believe I'm finally doing this, bro. It took Frankie like.
Jonathan!
Am I good? We are not in line. Will. Fellow what? I'm gonna just say that for now. Fellow what? Oh, I actually need to use a bathroom. Set. Yeah, I wasn't getting nobody with that one. Frankie, not playing. Alright, bro. And Will, you're getting. Oh wait, no, it's curse words. Damn it. Shut up. Bro, I actually need to use a bathroom. Ooga shaka, ooga shaka, ooga. Can you guys do the ooga shaka again? I want to get that on camera. Okay. I finally got a cam. I'm about to get sturdy. Ready? I can't get sturdy like with an instrument. Now, ready? Okay. Can we start already so I could like, I can't wait for the camera to hear all my squeaking because I squeak a lot.
Yeah, I would do it, but then it would hear me messing up.
Yeah. Francesco Monez. Oh, let me do the credits. Thank you to Francesco Monez and their parents for getting this hand.
Listen up, guys. All right. As of right now, Mineola looks pretty good. Luca. Mineola looks pretty good weather-wise. All right. It's supposed to rain in the morning, clear up in the afternoon. All right. 6 out of the 8 LS3 bands go on Saturday. All right. So this will really determine what our final week is going to look like. All right. I will put out call times and all of that, but put out your best run that you humanly can right now. After tonight, the magic number is 2.
What does that mean?
Frankie, you're supposed to be in this line, brother.
Okay? In this line. You are in the front line. Once we are done.
I think he knows that though.
Tonight, seniors, I need to talk with you guys really briefly. All right? So seniors will meet briefly.
That's so cute. He's probably gonna be like, goodbye. Oh look, wait, who's that with the cam? I forgot her name. Oh my god, I forgot her name. What's her name? Dude, I actually forgot. Oh my god, Andrew has a phone cam.
Front line. Abby, you gotta move back field. Keep going a little bit. Great. Who's that next to you? Is that
Chase.
Chase? You gotta move back field.
Ooh, Chase has to. Oh my read! Look at that, bro. I'm not playing anything with that. No, it's just not lined up. That's why I hate this ligature, bro. I swear. On bloods. No slurs, guys. Wait, start a wave. Oh, I can't do that. Wait, ready? That didn't really work. Okay, this they don't know what's going on.
Frankie, send the wave back. So bad.
Oh, hey! Yay! Throw it back. Hey! Hey! Fellow what? I feel like I already said it. I feel like subconsciously, I already said it. My hands are mad cold. What if I get sturdy? I said that last time. Last time I wanted to get sturdy. Jonathan, start the Ooga Shaka. No, like that way. Tyler! Ooga Shaka, Ooga. Hi, Jeremy!
Got it.
Yep.
Wait, I didn't hear her. Abby. Holy shit. I don't know where I'm going. Is this a full run? Damn! Holy fuck, man. Keep messing up. Abby, it's a full run, right? Okay, okay. Oh my god. Restep. Damn. Visual time. Fuck. Movement 3 time. Jeremy, I love you. Jeremy. Holy, get the fuck out of the way. Oh my god. Alright, what the fuck? Oh my god. Hey, you fat ass. Okay. Oh my god. Get down. Get down. Oh my god. Get back to work. Damn. Hey. Push back. Oh shit. Damn. Digga, digga, digga. Oh, look at Stan. Oh my god, look at Stan. Bro, Gabe, move. Okay, we can't see Stan. That's cool though. Go dancers. Okay, look at Abby. Now look at Jonathan. All right, bro. Okay. Hi, Lexi. Go dancers. Go dancers. Go dancers. Bro, movement 4 is gonna piss me. Oh shit, I gotta go. Buracha. I fucked up. I love this part. I always mess it up. Hey, hey, hey. I messed up that move. Ba, ba, ba. Come on, go box. There. Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
That was actually really good.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Who else? Gabe, eat the camera, Gabe.